Imagine yourself in this Ford 2013 F-150. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, conventional spare tire, power mirror, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, third passenger door and fourth passenger door. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.